Back to the channel, guys. In today's video we're going to be going from these stock OEM GM taillights to replace them with the Spyder LED taillights. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. The only thing you're going to need to replace the taillights is a Phillips head screwdriver. You have 2 screws right here. Just back those out and this taillight will pop out. I'm going to back them out kind of at an even pace. Be sure not to crack the lens on the old stock ones. And with that, just kind of wiggle these out. Comes right out. Alright, so in here you have your 2 brake and turn signal bulbs. You have your reverse bulb, and then you have your side marker bulb right here. You turn these counterclockwise and they should pop right out. Okay, and with that, you can remove your old stock ones. If it's real dirty in here, you should just be able to take whatever cleaner, doesn't really matter, just clean this up in here. If you're going to reuse these bulbs, try not to touch the actual bulb itself, touch at the base to pull them off. And now we're going to remove these bulbs here. Grab it by the base, wiggle it until it comes free. You may have to use a little bit of force on them. Since the Spyder taillights don't come with bulbs, they just come with a connector piece like that. I really don't care about these bulbs. Alright, the only bulb I'm not going to try to touch the actual lens is the reverse light. You're going to have to reuse this reverse light, so it's best to just leave it as it is right here. As you can see on the back of this tail light here, it's going to have these little clips here on all of these, except for your reverse light here. That's where your stock reverse light's going to go. You're going to put these little tabs in, you just turn them clockwise. Once you match up the little holes, and it should pop straight in. Alright, so now you're going to take these 2 metal protruding objects here, stick them onto the rubber grommets over here, and push in, and make sure you hold the light. The reverse light, having to reuse that is not a big deal for me. I'm just going to buy a LED reverse light from Dynamics soon and install it then. Whenever you put these in, try to turn them at a similar rate and make sure you put pressure on the taillight to make sure it's centered. We're going to go and test them out, make sure that they're working properly. You really should do that before you screw them down, but it's not a big deal. It's 2 screws. So I'm going to go test them out now. Okay, as you saw, they all work, and that is going to complete the install on these taillights. Like I said, the reverse light don't worry about if you're just going to replace them with LED light. These Spyder ones do not come with one. For this year model, a couple things to remember about these taillights here. These are for the 2007 to 2013 GMC Sierra. They are not interchangeable with the Chevy side of it. Their taillights are not similar, they're not the same. So you cannot buy Chevrolet taillights for your GMC Sierra. They're not going to fit. And with that, I believe that completes the install. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment on what you think.